Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a picture into Excel. Whether you want to add a logo, chart, or any other image, it's super easy to do. First, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Look for the Illustration section and click on Pictures. You'll have the option to choose from this device if your image is saved on your computer, stock images for preloaded photos, or online pictures if you want to grab one from the web. For this example, I'll click on this device and select a picture saved on my computer. Now that the picture is in the worksheet, here's a handy trick to make sure it fits perfectly inside a cell. Start by selecting the image, then hold down the Alt key while you resize it. Notice how the picture automatically snaps to the edges of the cells. This helps you align the image precisely within a cell or group of cells. To ensure that the image moves and resizes with the cell, right-click on the picture and select Format Picture. In the Format Picture pane, go to the Properties section. Here, select the option Move and Size with Cells. This setting ensures that if you adjust the size of the cell or move it, the picture will move and resize along with it. And that's how you can insert a picture into Excel, snap it to a cell, and ensure it moves and resizes with the cell. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.